Hi English V01B critical thinkers. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to week 13. I wanted to make a video to check in with you, see how you're doing. You guys have done so much writing and so much reading this semester already. As we move into week 13, again, this is our wrap-up week. It's nice to have a little bit of time to just wrap up the unit on fences. If you didn't check out the movie version, the film version of Fences with Viola Davis and Denzel Washington, I strongly encourage you to check it out. It's very true to the play, to the script, to the August Wilson's vision of Fences. So our wrap-up week looks similar as our last two units when we were wrapping up. You'll have a week to just take your time to finish up the quiz, finish up the journal. If you are working on your essay 3, then you will have time to finish up your essay number 3. Just a quick little snapshot of this unit, everything you've already finished. Our discussions closed last Saturday, and now we're moving into the wrap up with our quiz, the wrap up with our essay 3, and then the wrap up with our journal. So please remember that we have the Writing Center online at Ventura College for feedback on your essay number 3. Our tutors are awesome and there to help. They're familiar with my prompts and my writing assignments, so use that resource. You are paying for it in your tuition. Go like this so they can see your thumb. Again, it's our wrap up week. If you're wondering what is on the quiz, I'm just going to click on it and give you a little preview of it. It's all the concepts from your what is drama, what are plays, from your packet. Again, what's drama? What is it?
Bathroom?
Bathroom. I mean, it could take place in a bathroom. You never know. You just never know.
Okay.
There could be a lot of drama in there. So on the quiz, the questions are going to look exactly how they look in the packet. I didn't change the wording or anything, so please have your packet handy with you. If you don't have it downloaded from previously, you can go ahead and click on the attachment that I have here. And you can just keep it open while you're taking the quiz. Again, this is just rehashing, going over concepts. These are the concepts that I'm looking for in your essays. I'm looking for application of the concepts from drama in your story. Please leave that there. So this is what it looks like, just to kind of give you a sense. I'm going to keep scrolling through so you can see it. If you pull up the packet, then you can just use it to guide you through. You can also do a rotation because it is sideways. And then again, you can just go through, and if you can print this out, it's ideal. But what you're looking for is these bolded concepts. Those are the ones that are on the quiz. Question.
If you don't listen to my mama, I'm going to spank you on the booty. Yeah.
I mean,
she's
going
to be a president one day. You're going to have to listen to her.
The president? Whoa, girl. Thank you for your vote of confidence. I didn't know that was in my future. So again, yeah, using the packet is going to be really helpful. Let's go back to the quiz and see. I mean, this is what it looks like. So some of the questions are worth 2 points. Some are worth 1 point. But again, you're just using the packet. Don't forget that you will get dinged on the quiz. It will be an incorrect answer if it's not grammatically correct. So slow down, read it out loud, and make sure that you have the answer. If it's a plural, then you have to have a plural on it. If it has an apostrophe on it, you have to have an apostrophe on it. So follow the packet. So that's for the quiz. If we go back to the module, then you'll see your due dates for this week are Saturday as usual. Your journal as well. I'm just going to click on that in case anyone needs a little assistance. So one of the tricky things about this course is you guys are learning so many different ways of citing various types of resources or sources in your essays. And so you guys, I'm really proud of you for your perseverance. You're using MLA formatting, but everything you've done so far is very different. You've done short stories, you've done poetry, and now you're going to be doing drama. And again, they're all different. I do have a video on here walking you through the journal, but just to see a sample log, you have your act, your scene, and your page numbers. And so do the best you can. I really try not to get too ticky-tacky when I'm giving your grade. I'm just looking to see the effort, amount of effort and revision that's gone into it. So if you need a sample, we have one here. Have a wonderful week 13. That's our week 13 wrap up. Anything else, Fane? You say have a great day.
Have a horrible day.
Or have a great day.
Have a horrible day.
Have a horribly wonderful day.
Have a horrible day.
Bye.
Have the horrible day in your whole entire life.
What are you, the Grinch?
Yeah.
Oh, makes sense. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, one thing that I forgot to add is we start Ruth Ozecki's A Tale for the Time Being next week. And that's what we're going to close out our semester with. You do not have an essay on this book, which is an awesome way to just enjoy reading a novel. Again, it's a thick novel, but it's so beautiful and wonderful. So please get it. Start reading it early. Pro tip. Get ahead, especially if you're a slow reader. That way you're not feeling overwhelmed and anxious. But wonderful, wonderful, beautiful book. If you like listening to books, then you're going to want to get it on audio so you can listen to it read. Either way, please get the book. And remember, this is how we're closing out our semester, looking at Ozecki's beautiful, beautiful piece. Last question.
How do you get your hair so pretty?
I don't brush it. Thank you. Oh my gosh. How do you get your hair so pretty?
I brush it.
I mean, there's many ways
Your
to
classmates' hair is like dirty rats in them.
Whoa.
Okay?
There are many ways to the mountaintop. Have a wonderful week. Bye.
Have a bad day for your bad day's sake.
Road.